3 hacks to instantly boost your online presence as a realtor with no ad spend needed. Does that fire you up? Who wants to spend ads? At the end of the day, don't you want to be able to have more success and boost your online presence and have 3 hacks to be able to do that? Well, in today's video, we're going to do that for absolutely free. Stay to the end of the video because I want to be able to give you some additional value. I think that's going to be very valuable by the end of the video. And of course, you want to get to the 3rd actual point. So stay until the end. And of course, if you like the video and subscribe to the notification bell, maybe we'll go viral. I don't know. At the end of the day, I feel like if you want to help yourself and you want to help someone else, then if you like, subscribe to the notification bell and comment below, then this algorithm thing will then show this video to other people who can see it because YouTube will recommend it. And then guess what? We can all have more success. That sounds pretty cool, right? I don't know. I just feel like, hey, if I can help someone else out and all I have to do is comment, like, and then subscribe, cool. And then if you share the video, that's even looking more cool. So 3 hacks to instantly boost your online presence as a realtor. I'm pretty sure you want this to have happen. My name is Norman Lloyd Kinsey III, CEO, co-founder of Liftoff Agent. We've met thousands of agents over the years. I don't know, 16,000 now, who knows? It's been a lot. But at the end of the day, we want to help agents either start their business online, ramp their business up online, or they scale their business up online. Let's get into it. Number 1 hack is consistent personal video content, shorts, reel, and YouTube. Well, that sounds pretty easy, right? Just consistent videos? But what videos do I film? Let's go over a couple of them right now, okay? So consistent, what does it look like consistent? Consistent means every single day. If you're really committed about having success within your real estate business, every single day you do a post. You do a short, you do a reel, and you do something on YouTube every single day until you win. Now YouTube, there's 3 things you can do on YouTube. You could post a short on YouTube, you could do a long form on YouTube, and you could actually post just a normal post on YouTube. And then what you could do too is you can just repurpose. So what you're gonna put onto Instagram Reel can be repurposed for YouTube, can also be put on TikTok, for example. And when you're posting every single day, the best thing you could possibly do is give them a little bit of a personal touch about what you're doing, what you're up to, where you're going, what have you on that perspective. So you want to give them a little bit of a personal vibe of day in the life. And then testimonials are great from your customers. That's always great. Showcasing a really cool house, whether it's your house or it's going to be a home that you're just going to hold for open house, is another good idea. And the last but not least is content around your specific area. So that could be anything. That could be showcasing a restaurant, showcasing the downtown, right? So think about this, and the best thing you could do is basically go into ChatGPT and literally put in, I need viral content that I could consistently post on shorts, reels, and YouTube in my blank city and town that people would actually connect with. Boom, done. There's your prompt. Get to work. All right, this video's over. We're done. Not. All right, so let's get to hack number 2, leveraging Google Business Profile for updates weekly. So Google My Business is a thing. And if you were to ask your customers to leave you a review on Google My Business, it will help you get additional search results. And so that's actually something that you could take advantage of. You can go onto Google and you type in Google My Business how to set up. It'll take you to basically a couple different links. There should be one that's not an ad, that's coming from Google, that you can click to set up your Google My Business. If you need help with the process, we also do that as well with our social setup here at Liftoff Agent. And of course, you can watch a video onto how to set up my Google My Business profile page. Now, within Google My Business, you can also post content there. There's some opportunities just based off what I'm seeing here for you to be able to maximize the opportunity of being able to post on your Google My Business, because you actually can post pictures and what have you on that. Number 3, the final one is collaborations, tagging local businesses, mortgage pros, and staging companies. That's pretty good. Here's the website, liftoffagent.com. Here's our YouTube channel. What video should I film? They're gonna help us go viral. That's another hack. It's gonna be a 4th hack. I'll just give this to you as a freebie, is that once you have content out there and you've been consistent with your content, ChatGPT and AI will actually be able to scour the web and see what you've already done and see what actually can go viral, and they can mix them together. So then you can go from needing to figure everything out yourself to actually being able to save yourself a bunch of time by utilizing your past efforts for future successes. I say that all the time, I feel like. And then you can use ChatGPT to go through that process. So collaborations are a great opportunity for you to be able to either interview someone who's going to be a local business owner. That's going to be one. You could also be able to collab on Instagram, which is huge. I literally just did an event at the house. It was a GTR event. And so I'll show you really quick. And with this GTR event, I literally collaborated on 12,000 views. So 12,000 views on some of these videos, all just collaborating. Now that's combined views. The biggest one has 2,700 views on I think the biggest one that I did. So now, if you were to film a segment on a local business and then do maybe like a long form interview, and then for the short form, you literally was just like kept it simple or just like, hey, how's it going? Cindy here. Just went to Noah's Bagel, absolute amazing place. We just did a full interview that will be live here in the next week. So collaborating with the business owner right now. So make sure to go ahead and give them a follow and look out for the full interview coming live Friday. Now, that's a video that you could post, super simple, just film it on your iPhone, or that was an Android. And then in the video saying that you're going to collaborate with them, which then encourages the business owner to collaborate back with you. And then in the back of your mind, you know that you're going to be able to pick up some followers, some additional viewers, and the followers that should follow you are going to be homeowners of your local area. So that's a huge opportunity for you to be able to have success with the process of just basically hacking the process and like cross-pollinating, right? So helpful? If you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's go over some resources. Let's give you some things to think about that's gonna help you with this process with what we have here. So let's just quickly go over it. So first one is posting consistent videos. This beginner guide for YouTube has 23 specific videos that you can film. That can be a good guide for you to download, and there's a video you can watch with that as well. The link to these guides are down below. Number 2, leveraging Google Profile. Niche down guide could be good for that. And then actually leveraging Technology A through Z talks about the Google profile. And then collaboration for local businesses. That's when you really start to think about niching down in your local community. The beginner YouTube guide also talks a little bit about that as well. And of course, I talked about that here today. And here's your challenge. Your challenge from ChatGPT, based off the last thing I was supposed to say in this video for saying to the end, is try one hack today and comment below with what you are going to start with. So out of the 3 hacks, comment below with what you're going to start with. ChatGPT told me to say that. Man, a world that we live in. Like, subscribe, notification bell. I'm Mr. Liftoff, and I wish you all more liftoff in your real estate business. Let's go.